As you know in sales, one of the most important things you can ever do is create trust with any potential prospect. And the best way I build trust, it's actually very simple. Once you understand that it's not a gimmick or any type of tactic. Trust is all about congruency. And when you're congruent, you match what you say and what you do. And when you are congruent, it's actually very easy to create sales without any stress. Why is it that sometimes salespeople say one thing and do something totally different? One of the main reasons is they're actually trying too hard to please instead of serve their customer. And let me explain. The best salespeople are the ones that focus on helping their customers, not making them happy. And it's a big difference. Sometimes the truth will not make them happy, but that's okay because it'll make them respect and trust you more. They will appreciate you a lot more because you're confident enough to set realistic expectations and not just tell them what they want to hear. For example, just the other day I was talking to a sales rep and she told me she would call me tomorrow and give me the answer I've been looking for on my issue. And tomorrow came and the next day came and then it turned into 3 days and I heard nothing. It was just straight crickets. I had to reach out to her to figure out what the hell was going on. And there's nothing worse than a salesperson saying one thing but doing something completely different. And the problem was she was trying to please me and thought telling me that she would let me know tomorrow would make me happy instead of just telling me the truth about the actual timeline on getting an answer on this issue. If you want to create more trust, the best thing you can do is never overpromise. Make sure what you say you'll do is something you can actually deliver on. Also, give yourself a buffer for any unforeseen issues that may come up. If you think you'll have an answer tomorrow, tell the customer you'll have an answer in 48 hours. Now you have a cushion and you can come in as the hero when you solve the issue ahead of schedule. What sets you apart from everyone else in sales is that you keep your word. And it's a simple idea, but it will make customers come back to you and do business again and again and send you referrals. If you follow through on what you promise, even if that means telling somebody, hey, I still don't have an answer, but I wanted to follow up and let you know, and I'm still working on it. That's how trust is created. Download my free sales script template and start sales conversations. I'll see you in the next video.